Just look at this channel named Epic AI Films. With just 60 videos, this channel has gained almost 60,000 subscribers. Below, you can see the views on each of the channel's videos, and almost every video is getting massive views. Till now, this channel has generated more than 9 million total views, which is honestly shocking. When I checked their earnings, I found that this channel made almost $5,000 this month from AdSense revenue alone. And the best part is creating these types of videos is actually very easy. For example, here I have one image prompt and one video prompt. I simply copy the first image prompt from here, then head over to Higgsfield.ai and click on Image. Here you can see that I use Higgsfield for my daily work. Now simply click on the prompt box and paste your copied prompt here. Then below, click on Model and choose Nano Banana Pro. After that, click on Ratio and select 16:9. Here choose 4K quality and then simply click on Generate. It will start generating an image, and within a few seconds your image will be ready. Just look at the result. This image looks absolutely amazing. Now simply click on the image, and here you will see the animate option. Click on it, and the prompt is already detected automatically. Below, you will see the model option. Click on it, and you'll find multiple models like Seedance Pro Fast, Seedance Pro, and Seedance 1.5 Pro. Now choose Seedance 1.5 Pro. Below that, you can select the duration where you can create videos up to 12 seconds. So I simply choose the duration, then select the preferred ratio, choose the quality. I select 1080p, and finally click on Generate. Now it starts generating the video, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready. You can see that this video already looks very impressive, but it still has some disadvantages like physics issues, direction problems, and camera angles. But now, watch this video generated through Seedance 2.0. Yes, guys, you heard that right. This upcoming model is going to revolutionize the AI industry because Higgsfield is planning to release Seedance 2.0 very soon. And this video generated through it looks incredibly realistic with clear gravity, better direction, smoother motion, and overall perfect visuals. And you will soon be able to access Seedance 2.0 on Higgsfield.ai. And it is going to revolutionize the entire AI industry because it provides multiple advanced controls. Feature 1. Multimodal input mixing. The first major feature is multimodal input mixing. This means you can upload multiple images, videos, audio, and text all at once. You can also upload a character reference, any sample video, background music, and a text prompt. And the model will analyze all these inputs together and produce an output that closely matches them. The second major feature is native audio-visual generation, which means Seedance 2.0 can generate audio and video simultaneously like footsteps matching the walking pace, clear gravity physics, and perfectly synchronized motion all in one place. Next comes a truly mind-blowing feature where you can regenerate the same video to correct errors. If you want to remove or change something, you don't need to regenerate the entire video. You can simply edit it using text prompts, which can drastically reduce iteration time. Another big upgrade is quality and speed improvements. Seedance 2.0 can generate videos in 1080p output, works 30% faster than Seedance 1.5 Pro, and delivers better color grading, lighting, and overall visual quality. It can also generate clips with a length of 5 to 12 seconds, and you can expect athletic movements, intricate gestures, and complex choreography that look physically realistic. There is also support for multi-shot storytelling, where you can generate videos with different cinematic shots and smooth transitions between scenes, making everything feel natural and professional. And finally, a major character consistency breakthrough. You can keep the same character consistent across the entire video, even with different scenes and camera angles. Seriously guys, Seedance 2.0 is going to break the internet when it launches, and it's coming very soon on Higgsfield. And yes guys, this announcement was made through the official Higgsfield website itself. When you click here, you can clearly see that Seedance 2.0 is coming soon. And you can also enter your Gmail so you receive a notification as soon as it goes live on Higgsfield.ai. There has also been an announcement on X stating that Seedance will be available inside CapCut soon, which makes this update even more exciting. And there is even a Reddit post where you can see a sample of what Seedance 2.0 can create.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on. This is an upcoming Seedance 2.0 demo video, and you can clearly notice how realistic and smooth the visuals look. And yes, guys, this entire video is generated only using AI. There is no external VFX or manual editing involved. Just the new Seedance 2.0 model. You can easily see the quality, motion, and realism in the video, and it honestly looks incredible. And honestly, you'll probably like them too, because this model is that powerful, and it is literally going to break the internet once it launches. So make sure to visit Higgsfield.ai and try Seedance 2.0 early as soon as it becomes available.